What is going on, guys? Welcome to another garage update video. I've wanted to do this one for a while, but I've just had a lot going on. I kind of want to walk you through the garage, show you some stuff I've took out and changed, and some updates I've done, the current stuff going on, and all future plans. So guys, let's get right into it. All right, before we go on any further, I feel like my last garage vlog was kind of clickbaity. I'll link it right here if you haven't seen it. But as you can tell, my GoPro looks like it's melted. I really did ruin my GoPro, and you can see a scratch in the inside this lens right here. I had to end up replacing this lens. I think Camera Butter makes the replacement lens. GoPro does not make a replacement lens for this, so I thought I ruined this GoPro. But I was able to heat this up and prise this screen out and install a new screen because those sparks in the last video, it melted this screen. But you can see the scratch right there where I was scratching it trying to prise the old screen off. Anyways, guys, I'm going to throw this in real quick because I felt like my last video was a little clickbaity and I wasn't aimed for it to. I just forgot to show this at the end of the video. Alright guys, not really related to the garage or any of the cars, but another update in my life, Yoshi set, is we got a golden doodle named Yoshi. So I wanted to throw this in real quick. Say hi to the vlog, Yoshi. Woof. Alright, first update I want to kind of go over. I've changed the lights again. I know in the last vlog we actually replaced some old like orange looking bulbs to like regular LEDs, but I'll see if I can pick this up on camera. So I found these, a friend of mine told me about these, and I got these at Bed Bath & Beyond, but these just screw right into your existing lighting socket, and you can actually point each of these. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's blurry, you know, the lighting makes it blurry. But you can actually, there's 3 fins on each, and you can point them in whichever direction you want. And I actually replaced every one in my garage. And guys, this has made a huge improvement. The lighting is far superior than it was when I first got this garage. So a lot of you might notice my toolbox from work is at home. I actually got a different job at my work that I've been at for 12 years. So I actually have my own office now and stuff. So that's actually really cool. But I'm not a mechanic anymore. So I got to bring my big box home. And I had too many toolboxes here because I wasn't planning on getting an office job. So all my green roll cart and my heart box I actually end up selling. Just because I was getting confused on where I want to go get tools from when I was here. So just to make things easier, I just filled my box up. Just one toolbox. Have everything I need in here. And if anyone's interested in a toolbox tour, we can do that sometime. If anyone is interested, comment down in the comments below. And I had some benches here and here. I just end up removing those because I feel like they was in the way. And it's not really the style of bench that I want to use. And if I need any kind of bench space, I can just use these counters right here. But I've just kind of got my detail stuff here. I put this shelf in. And another reason I wanted this bench gone, I want to be able to back my Focus up here. And I can fit 2 cars deep here. And that the way during the winter I don't have to scrape the frost and stuff off of my car during the winter. So I wanted to be able to pull 2 deep on this side because my wife's car and lawnmower goes on this side. Oh, let's see what else I can think of that we changed. I got this sweet punching bag. That's a nice ad. Oh yeah, the biggest thing. We actually have a car now. So For the longest time, I did not have a build, and I know everybody who watches the channel, they already know that I have this, but I'm super pumped to finally have a build again. And shout out to Panda Motor Works. They're helping us. They're going to help us with this build for the life of it. So we're pretty pumped to be working with them. Guys, if you don't care, make sure you go visit www.pandamotorworks.com. Use code BLEWIS to save yourself some money on any of their great products. We are tuned by Panda as well. But yeah, so just some changes. I'm not trying to ramble. I'm just trying to think of some other stuff I've done. All this white stuff you see on my walls, like there's specks of white everywhere. That was all holes that I have filled in. And eventually, I was going to paint my ceiling, but this burnt looking wood is growing on me. And I don't mind this chipped wood right here. What I don't like is this right here. So eventually, I'm going to get all these holes filled in. And from here to here, I'm going to paint gray, the same color I paint inside of my house. And I think it'll really brighten it up in here. And I think it'll make it look super good in here. And I've hung some cool signs up, just a few, just to highlight some of them. Got the Brian Lewis vlog banner, got the Panda Motor Works on there. Found that cool hearse sign yesterday. Oh, this is pretty cool. A cover off of a new C8 Corvette. I thought that was pretty cool. Some people, when they buy these cars new, they upgrade to like a red cover. So these covers just come off, and I thought it'd be cool to hang it in the garage. Yeah, just some other stuff. Like I said, just highlighting some stuff. I think these oil cans are really cool from Hobby Lobby. But yeah, overall, what do you all think from when I first got in here to now? Much improved or not? Comment down below. All right, guys, this was more of a shorter vlog today. Just wanted to kind of update and show you what the garage looked like now. In the earlier clips, I've linked some before and after, so hopefully you all can tell just how much work that I've put in to making this place look better. Like I said in the garage reveal video, ever since I was a little kid, I've always wanted my own garage. And I really want to start doing some major work out of this garage when it comes to my Focus build and Stevens RX-8 and F-150. Guys, if it's the first time you've been on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and go check out our other playlist. I've got a playlist for each vehicle we have on here, so make sure you go check them out. But anyways, the last thing I wanted to tell you all before I close this video out, I eventually want to put a lift right here. After I paint and get everything else I want done, I want a lift about where the Focus sits. And I have a full walk-in attic up here. So a friend of mine was telling me that I could actually raise my ceiling up and adjust some of the bracing in the ceiling. And I could actually raise my ceiling up wherever my lift's at. And a friend of mine said that he's done this to his garage 20 years ago and everything's still holding up just fine. So the goal is to eventually raise this ceiling a little bit just over there. And he said he can lift four-door trucks and everything. So guys, we're super pumped about that. I'm going to try to get that done within the next year and a half or two. But I want to lift here, raise the ceiling, and I want to get these walls painted. And guys, I think I'm going to have a really good spot to work on my build and, for Steven and the other guys to come over and work on their stuff as well. And just a spot that we can chill at and really have a good time. I'm probably going to hang a window unit in here so we can have some AC during the summer. And I've got a propane and kerosene heater for the winter, so we're pretty taken care of when it comes to that. So overall, guys, I mean, this garage is ready to be worked out of, ready to provide some content for our builds for you guys. Well, guys, with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this garage vlog. Sorry if I rambled on too long. It's just how I get sometimes. Shout out to Panda Motor Works. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for helping us out with this build. Well, guys, I'm ending this video here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. It really does help out. Like this video. If I link anything in the description, an Amazon affiliate link, Guys, if you click on something and buy it, it helps the channel out at no extra charge to you. So like, I'll link my GoPro, the camera I use. If anybody's interested in any of that stuff, I'll always link some Amazon affiliate links down in the description box below, and it really helps out. Make sure you visit www.pandamotorworks.com. Use code BLewis to save yourself some money on all their products. Guys, until next time.